Hey guys, wanna delete chat WhatsApp backup from your Google Drive account? Let me show you how easy it is, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial and now let's get started. First off, open Google Drive on your device. You can open it through the website of Google Drive or you can use the app version. So now, when opened and when inside your account, just make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. And when you made sure, you can pretty much look for the WhatsApp chat backup. Now you can see it on the Home tab and click on the three dots right next to it, but you will be able only to choose the Not a Helpful Suggestion option. This will not remove the file itself from the suggestions, so to actually delete the file, go to the Files tab at the bottom right, and now you should look for this same WhatsApp chat backup in this tab. So now scroll down through the files until you find it and simply click and hold onto this WhatsApp chat backup. Now it will be selected and afterwards just click on the three dots right there at the top right. This will actually bring up this pop-up menu. Swipe up for a better view and choose the remove option right there at the bottom. Now confirm by clicking the move to the bin option. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.